Hi, I'm Anna Stuckley with Liver Specialists of Texas. I'd like to talk to you about the new services we will be offering to our patients. As we've seen in the news, obesity is a significant public health concern. Close to 70% of adults are overweight. Obesity can put you at risk for type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease and cirrhosis, cardiovascular disease, as well as kidney disease and certain types of cancers. Considering we are a liver disease practice, a lot of our patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease potentially progress to cirrhosis and liver failure. Dr. Galati and his team are very serious about nutrition. Here at Liver Specialists of Texas, I'd like to talk to you about the new programs we will be offering in the weeks to come. I will be working with patients who are in need of specialized nutrition support. This includes meal planning, appropriate food selections, and educating patients on interpreting food labels, as well as cooking techniques and shopping strategies. These are all very important to have successful results in weight loss. Additionally, we will have a managed weight loss program that will be reserved for patients who need significant weight reduction. This is a 12-week program of meal replacement with an additional 12 weeks of incorporating healthy foods back into their diets. This is a very exciting time for all of us at Liver Specialists of Texas, with our primary goal of addressing the needs of our patients. Obesity and all its complications can be halted, and our team approach concept is the way to do it. I look forward to meeting you all and continued good health.